Most people grow up believing one simple idea: drink milk and your bones will stay strong. It's one of the most widely accepted health messages. Milk is known for calcium, and calcium is known for bone strength. But what if that belief is only part of the story? What if relying on milk alone could actually be missing key factors, and in some cases even working against your bone health? Let's take a closer look. The calcium assumption. Milk is rich in calcium, and calcium is essential for bones. About 99% of the calcium in your body is stored in your bones and teeth. So it seems logical: drink more milk, build stronger bones. But here's the issue. Bone health isn't just about how much calcium you consume. It's about how your body uses it. If your body can't properly absorb or direct that calcium, simply consuming more of it may not strengthen your bones. Why calcium alone isn't enough. Your body relies on multiple nutrients working together. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Magnesium helps activate vitamin D. Vitamin K2 helps guide calcium into your bones instead of soft tissues. And silica supports the collagen structure that gives bones flexibility. Without this balance, calcium can be less effective, so even if you're drinking milk daily, your body may not be using that calcium the way you expect. Bone is living tissue. Your bones are not static. They are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. This process is called remodeling. If your body breaks down bone faster than it rebuilds it, bone density decreases over time. And that process is influenced by much more than just calcium intake. The bigger dietary picture. Some researchers have suggested that certain diets, especially those high in animal proteins, may increase the body's acid load. To maintain balance, the body may use alkaline minerals, like calcium, from bones. This idea is still debated, but it highlights an important point. Your overall diet matters more than any single food. Bone health depends on balance, not just intake. What population studies suggest? Interestingly, some countries with higher dairy consumption also report higher rates of osteoporosis. At the same time, some populations that consume less dairy often have lower fracture rates. This doesn't mean milk is harmful, but it does suggest that milk alone is not enough to guarantee strong bones. Lifestyle, activity levels, sunlight exposure, and nutrient intake all play major roles. The protein factor. Milk also contains protein, which is important for bone structure. But higher protein intake can increase calcium loss through urine. This doesn't mean protein is harmful. Your body needs it. But it reinforces that bone health is about balance, not just increasing one nutrient. Digestive issues and inflammation. Many people have difficulty digesting lactose, the sugar found in milk. For some, dairy can cause bloating discomfort, low-grade inflammation. Over time, chronic inflammation may interfere with bone remodeling. This can affect how effectively your body maintains bone strength. So, is milk bad for your bones? The answer isn't black and white. Milk can provide important nutrients like calcium and protein, but it's not a complete solution for bone health, and relying on it alone may lead to gaps in what your body truly needs. What actually supports strong bones? Strong bones are built through a combination of habits. Regular weight-bearing exercise like walking or strength training. Adequate vitamin D from sunlight or diet nutrients like magnesium, vitamin K2, and silica. A balanced diet rich in whole foods. And limiting factors like excess sugar, alcohol, and smoking. Your bones respond to your daily habits. Final thought. The idea that milk builds strong bones is simple. But real bone health is more complex. It's not about one food. It's about how your entire lifestyle supports your body over time. So instead of asking whether milk is good or bad, ask yourself, are you giving your bones everything they need to stay strong? Because true bone strength is built gradually, through consistent choices every single day.